So, I've got almost the entire flock on my head. I've been feeding them little pieces of farro. This is what I've got to feed them. That's why they all came over. I was feeding one of them that was sitting here. Twilight, where is he? Over here. It's like the camera's kind of flipped backwards, so I gotta move my hand in the opposite direction. Yeah, Twilight's usually the one that comes and sits with me because he's like my little buddy. Oh, did you just poop down my computer? Don't poop on my computer. Let me get a tissue. Don't you poop on my computer. Yep, Twilight, come here. Come on. Here, get off my camera. He's got his little butt on my camera. Okay, come here. Nebby's up there doing my hair. Frightfuls. They're gonna bicker. There's Twilight. He's my little buddy that comes and wants to eat all the food. This one's always hanging out with me. Oh, yeah, I knew they were gonna bicker. Hey, Frightful, come down here. Frightful, come here. Come here. Alright. Hi, there's Twilight getting them all. Come here. Come here. Halo. Halo. Halo loves these things too. Come here, Halo. There you go. There's Halo getting one. Frightful, I told you you could get one down here. Ah! Just bite me. Frightful, don't bite me. Oh, that's Nebby, of course. Nebby, don't bite. Come on, Mama Bird. I just got Nebby out of her hormonal phase, so she's like biting me all over. She's a big biter, but she's actually a little better than she usually is, and she didn't bite me that hard that time, so. Like making excuses for her because she's usually way worse. Halo! You guys are totally destroying my hair. Nebby's like preening my hair, thinking she's doing a good job, but really she's making it way worse. Hi. Hi. There you are. Hello. There you go. He's good. Nibbler? You nibbler? You grab my glasses? Hi! So I've got the bird cage over there. It's kind of dark in the room because the light like washes everything out. I'll turn my light on. Oh, there they come. Turn the light on. There we go. There's a little more light in the room. Hi, come here. What do I got now? I've got still Nebby on my head and Twilight. Frightful. Frightful's been ignoring me lately and I miss her. Come here, Nebs. Here, pretty Nebby. Pretty girl. Hi, Mama Bird. You want a treat? You want a treat? Can I give you a treat without you biting me? Hi. Can you take this? You want it? No? I'm not going to force it because if I put my finger too close and she doesn't want it, then she'll just bite me. Hello. Hello. Little monkey bird. Hi. Come here. Come here. My wrist wrap is actually like the perfect thing for them because sometimes they don't like jumping onto my bare skin. But if I put my wrist wrap there, they step right onto my wrist wrap. It's like my little birdie perch for my wrist wrap. Mommy? No, still no. Come on. Twilight. Come on. Whoop. There you go. Whoop. There you go. Hi. Hi. they fly right past me. I'm fine. Take her. Come here. There you go. Oh, I got frightful. She likes to be on my head. She won't go onto my arm. Can you go on my arm where I can actually see you? It's hard to see you on my head. It's hard to see you on my head. Here she is. See? She's a pretty bird. Here. Oh, and there's Twilight. Perfectly easy to get Twilight to come, but... Hi. Oh, and there's Halo. Don't bicker. Don't bicker. Hi, who's that? Frightful. Come here. There they all are. Hi. Nebby likes to go and hide under my hood. I have a hood in the back. Sometimes she'll go and hide. Yeah, there she's turned about to do it now. She likes to go and hide under my hood. There she goes. Do I know my birds or do I know my birds? Peekaboo. You going under my hood? That's her thing. Yeah. Hey. Who's that? Who's that? Oh. Those birdies over there. Hi, Naps. The only one missing is Pixie. She likes to hang out by herself. She's shy. Can we go get Pixie? She broke a blood feather the other day. So she's got a little boo-boo. Hi. Oh, are you hanging out in your coconut? Hi, Naps. There we go. Look at Pixie. She's a sweet girl. Look at little Pixie. She's a little sweet girl. Yeah, there's little Pixie. Hi. She's shy, but she's sweet. She looks just like her mama. That's her mom right there, Nebby. See, they look alike. Nebby's a little darker. I don't want you coming to bicker with your daughter. There you go. Yeah, see, she has a little blood stain here because she broke a blood feather the other day. Oh, I don't know, it's too bright to show you. Like, there's a big bright spot in the room over by where my door is because the sun's coming in. Oh my god, you guys. You guys. Hi. Who's on my eye? Twilight. Hi. Alright, you want to just go up there? There you go. There you go. So, this is what it's like to live with a flock of lovebirds. They're very silly. Hi. Aw, is Halo feeding Nebby? That's sweet. These two are feeding each other. Aw. Should you take my glasses off? So these are the two parents. These are the two parents here. And then these ones are the babies. Frightful is Frightful, the gray one. Like dark. She's a grayish, dark green color. Top here. Hi. She is about 9 months old. And then these two, Pixie and Twilight, are 6 months old. Going on 7 months. Twilight was born on Valentine's Day, and Pixie was born a few days before Valentine's Day, I think like on the 12th. Oh, forgive me, I just look like crap, but whatever. I'm just here working on some pictures and let the birds out to play while I work. Now, apparently I got sidetracked because they're like all over me. Hi. Hi. Let's be nice. Don't get too close to your parents, they'll bite you. They don't really bite, but they, bicker. They squabble. They go, nyam, 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 get away. I have like a little bug bite on my arm and they keep picking at it. Yeah. You picking at my bug bite? Yeah. You licking it? You licking it? Lick my bug bite. You and your sister up there? You're silly. Alright, I'm gonna go back and get to work, but I just wanted to show you what these guys are doing while I'm trying to work here. It's very funny. So, bye guys.